Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, All About Ash. Before we jump to today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But in today's video, we're going to be installing and styling these Curls Queen 24-inch light Yaki ombre / highlighted clip-in extensions. I absolutely love the way that these came out. At first, I wasn't really sure about the color, how it's going to blend with my relaxed hair, but they blended so well and it was really easy to install. So if you want to see how I was able to install and style these clip-ins in a middle and side part, then just keep on watching. Okay, so like always, we are starting with my hair straightened. It has been a couple of days since I washed my hair, so my hair isn't as fresh as it would normally be if I straightened my hair when I first washed it. But my hair right now I feel like is in a good state for clip-ins. But today we are going to be installing and styling another Curls Queens clip-in set, but this time they sent me over their ombre clip-ins. So pulling it out the bag, this is what it looks like. Let me take off this little mesh net, but this is what the clip-ins look like. So again, these are the ombre / highlighted clip-ins. Again, it's still in that light Yaki texture, so it matches very well with my own relaxed hair texture. And this is what the ombre looks like. I'm really interested to see how this is going to blend in with my hair, since of course my hair is just kind of natural 1B. Even towards the end of my hair, it's a little bit lighter. So I'm looking forward to see how this blends in with my hair. One thing I can note taking this out the bag straight away is that the hair smells really good. It smells like it's been shampooed, conditioned, all of that. Before we install the clip-ins, I want to let you know what I also received in this little silk pouch. They sent me their silk roller set. So it comes in another pouch like this, and this is what it looks like. So this, if you guys have seen it on TikTok, or even if you watched my last relaxed hair vlog, so it's kind of like a headband and it curls your hair. You just wrap your hair around the rod. You can go to sleep with it. You wake up in the morning, you kind of brush your curls out, and your hair is good to go. And so far, I really do like these, so I'm really interested to see what they're going to look like with this set of clip-ins. But I personally like to wear them at night, so I will have to do that in a different video. And then you also receive a pamphlet and a couple of extra clips and thread, so that's always good to have. So we're just going to get started on installing these clip-ins. You guys know that this is my second time working with Curls Queens, and I really do like the quality of their clip-ins. One, I like how the texture is really nice and it blends in with my relaxed hair well. But two, I just like the actual quality of them. The clips are nice. They're thick all the way down to the end. So they're just like a good quality set of clip-ins. So it's just gonna give you a lot of fullness and thickness to your hair, which I really do like. So in this bundle, you get 10 sets of clip-ins. So you get 2 that have 5 clip-ins like this. You get 2 that have 4 clip-ins like this right along the top. You get 2 that have 3 clips on the top, and you get 2 with just 2 clips. And you also get 2 with just 2 clips, but the set is a little bit more narrow than the other 2 clip set. So we're just gonna dive into installing these clip-ins. I think I'm going to do 2 styles today, which I kind of do with all of my clip-in styles, which is a middle part. So pretty much my hair, but in addition with the clip-ins, and this time we're going to add some color. And then we're going to do a side part, especially because I've been wanting to switch up my middle part lately. So we're going to start with the middle part, and then we're going to go on to the side part. But first, we're just going to start with installing the actual clip-ins. So I always like to start at the bottom. I'm just going to section off a piece of hair. And for this install, I'm going to try to section my hair in sort of a U shape. I just feel like the hair falls a little bit more natural and looks better that way. So I have my first row of hair sectioned out. I'm first going to go in with the 3-piece clip-in. The way I kind of determine what set I should go in first is just by taking the clip-in, putting it up to my head, and kind of seeing what fits best in that area. And as I work my way up, I just keep on doing the same thing. Usually towards the back of my head, it's a little bit smaller. As you get up, it gets a little bit wider, and then back towards the top, it gets a little bit smaller again. So we're just going to keep on sectioning off rows of hair, placing our clip-ins and working our way up, and we're just going to speed through this process. So before I actually place the clip-in set in my head, I'm going to just run my straightener through it really quickly. You can tell it doesn't need a lot. I'm just trying to get that wave out a little bit, and then we're going to clip it down right after that first row of hair that I sectioned out. Okay, so super quick and easy. That piece is now done and straightened. So I'm going to take the first clip-in. I like to start with the middle clip, place that one, go out to the side clips, and place those down. So this is what the first set is looking like. It looks pretty cute so far, if you guys can see that. I feel like my hair is actually going to blend into it pretty well, but we'll see as we put in more clip-ins. So I'm just going to keep on placing the clip-ins, sectioning off a row of hair, straightening the clip-in before I put it in, and then just measuring it, make sure that it fits. And we're going to work our way all the way to the top. So I'm just going to fast forward through this part. Okay, so this is how the clip-ins turned out in the middle part style. And honestly, I am very happy and surprised with how it turned out. I really wasn't sure how kind of the ombre lighter color was going to blend with my natural color, but it actually turned out really, really good. Can you guys see that? It just blends really well. My hair just makes it look like a natural ombre gradient effect. So it looks really good to me. One thing I can say is how you place your clip-ins is honestly really important, and I have learned that the more and more that I install clip-ins. So going in that U shape just helps the hair fall a little bit more naturally. And if you guys saw how at the top I did it kind of at a diagonal, kind of at a slant right here, I'll actually show you guys how I did this top piece. So you see how it's going like this? It's kind of going back and it's kind of at a slant. That just allows it to blend really nice and well in this front piece right here. I'm actually very happy with how this set turned out. Can you guys see that? Just look at the blend. I feel like it looks very, very natural and it's really pretty. Honestly, wasn't sure how I was going to like this color on me, but I feel like it's honestly giving me like Beyonce vibes, which I'm not mad at all. But I'm gonna comb all of my hair to the back so you guys can see what it really looks like. Just going to brush it out. Make sure I brush it well in the back. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what the hair looks like from the back. You can't even really tell where my hair is versus where the clip-in hair is. But yeah, overall, I really do like this clip-in set and I feel like the blend looks really good. Okay, so this is it for the first style, just a middle part. I'll kind of come up a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. But yeah, I just feel like this is like such a good blend. I really think how I placed the clip-ins this time made it look even better. Yeah, I'm just really happy with how this looks overall. I feel like it looks really good and it looks really natural, which is of course the look that you want when you're wearing clip-ins. You want to look like your hair, but a little bit fuller, maybe a little bit longer. So now we're gonna switch over to the second style, which is the side part. I think I'm gonna do it on my right side. So I'm just gonna adjust my clip-ins, kind of speed through the process and let you guys watch, and then we'll come back for the final style. Okay, so this is the finished side part hairstyle. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. As you guys saw, all I took out was one clip-in that was right here when we had the middle part. So that made it super easy. I took out that one clip, then parted my hair on the side, did my edges a little bit, and that's pretty much the finished hairstyle. I don't know which one I like more, the side part or the middle part. I'm usually always going for a middle part, so sometimes I think it's nice to switch it up with the side part, but I'm not sure. Which style do you guys like more? Do you like the middle part or side part? Make sure you guys comment that down below. Overall, I am really happy with these clip-ins. Not only the way that they look and how they blended, but I actually really like the quality of these clip-ins. The hair is actually very soft. When I say things are soft or describe what something feels like, I really wish you guys could feel it because the hair just feels really good. Even the highlighted part is still pretty soft. So overall, I would just say that Curls Queens has just really good quality clip-in hair extensions. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to show you guys how I install and style these Curls Queens 24-inch ombre / highlighted light Yaki clip-ins. That was a mouthful, but make sure you guys comment down below which style you liked best and what style you'd like to see me do with clip-ins, because I really do like the way that these turned out, and I feel like I finally got my clip-in installed down. Going in that U part and kind of going at an angle towards the top, I feel like makes all the difference. I think that while I have the side part style, I want to try using the headband roller overnight to see what my curls will look like in the morning. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.